are proud to be sponsors of Splash during the charity golf outing of 2020. Since we can't be there, we're sponsoring from beautiful Mainz, Germany on the Rhine River.
Hi, this is Steve Snower from Partstown. We've been longtime partners and friends with Jane, Glenn, and the Antunes team. As an organization, we've participated in the annual golf outing to support Splash for several years. Now, I'm personally not a golfer, not even close. In fact, the only time I play golf every year is at this great event, and it's not because I enjoy playing golf, I can assure you. Partstown has consistently expanded our presence and support of this important event each year. Of course, our growing partnership with, commitment to, and love for the Antunes team is a big part of this. But even more importantly, our understanding of Splash and our passion for this incredibly important cause has strengthened over time. As an organization, we have 6 core values. One of them is community. Our focus on community drives us towards helping others in every way possible, particularly children in need. There are millions of children who cannot access clean, safe water to serve their basic everyday needs. Splash is helping to solve this incredibly important challenge. Right now, during the COVID period that we're all living through, Splash's work is even more important. We all know, more than ever, how important clean water and hygiene are to health and safety. I'd urge everyone to learn more about Splash and contribute in any way you can. Lastly, I'd like to specifically acknowledge the incredible efforts of the Antunes team in raising awareness and money every year for this great cause. It's important work and it's inspiring, and it also speaks to the values and character of the team. I've also had the opportunity to meet several members of the Splash team over the years and have found them to be determined, passionate about their mission, and appreciative of all the support that they receive. I'm proud that our organization contributes to Splash and supports our friends at Antunes. And while I of course wish that everyone had a chance to golf together again this year, kind of happy that I can participate this time around without having to embarrass myself out on the course. Thanks to Antunes and Splash for everything that you do.
Hello, my name is Andy Selski with JPMorgan Chase. We've been a proud sponsor and advocate of Splash during the inception of its relationship with Jane and Glenn and AJ Antunes. We are incredibly honored to participate in the annual golf outing and have an institution like JPMorgan support the worldwide efforts for clean water, hygiene education, and sustainable sanitation for children. Although this year is virtual, we are still committed and excited to participate and hope our dollars continue serving the mission of Splash and the kids. Besides, I wouldn't want to miss another year seeing Jane tear up. Again, we are humbled for allowing us to be part of this annual tradition, and thank you for allowing us to serve alongside the entire Antunes family and the Splash organization.